Hello everyone, we are Fastcard, helping local restaurant businesses grow. Let's take a look at the team. I am Fernando Gonzalez, we have Orlando Vargas and Adrian Noah. The purpose of our project. During the pandemic, we have seen a shift in the restaurant industry as people took safety measures by social distancing, put a lot of strain on many restaurants across the country. Most local restaurants owners had to change their processes on catering to people in their establishments to delivery as their main focus. To help facilitate this, we created an app and a web management system that will help local restaurants grow by providing them with an online presence. Technologies that we have used: Xcode, Django, AWS S3, Postgres, and some extra ones like Stripe and Heroku. Now let's take a look at our promo video. You can visit and interact with the website at fooddeliverynowapp.herokuapp.com. We have built an entire website for the restaurant owner where you can sign in and register. This is the owner's dashboard where you can find the total revenue, orders delivered, top meals, and top drivers. This is the menu page where you can add a meal to your menu. You can add a name, a description, a price, and a custom image, as well as you can edit every single meal if you make a mistake or just re-upload another picture and save the changes. This is the orders report where you can see all the previous orders. We also have created an admin panel where you have all the database and sensitive information is stored, like users, passwords, orders, restaurants, and access tokens. We have the customer app where you can use your Facebook credentials to log in. You can see all your restaurants, your current orders, a live map of the status of your order, and of course, your profile page and the sign out button. We have the drivers app where you can use your Facebook credentials as well. You can see any available orders to pick up, a delivery map, the earnings view, a profile view. You can log out of the account. Let's take a look at a full example. Let's log in into both the drivers and the customer accounts with two different Facebook accounts. Also, as you can see, we have already logged into the restaurant owner dashboard previously. Let's begin by placing an order first. Choose your restaurant and take a look at the menu of that specific restaurant. Start adding meals to your cart. For this example, we are adding and subtracting meals to showcase the functionality of the app. As you can see, we have a list of meals that we have added to our cart. As well, we can see the price and the total amount. Let's input our address and proceed to pay. Now let's use a dummy credit card information, and all this is possible by using Stripe. Now let's hit place order. Once the payment proceeds, we are redirected to the live map where we can see our order. Now the owner of the restaurant has to approve the order to be ready. Now the driver has an available order to pick up. Once clicked, it will take the driver to the live map and provide the customer information as well as the address to be delivered. The live map will update in the customer and the driver's side. If you refresh the website, you will see that the status is changed to on the way. Once the driver has successfully delivered the order, there's an option to complete the order. The driver has no more orders and the customer has a status of delivered, and the driver's earnings view has increased. The owner's dashboard has updated its status to be delivered and its revenue has increased.